Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beats. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video is going to be a haul video, and I haven't done one of these in a while. My birthday was in June 16th. Shout out to all the Geminis. And normally when my birthday come around, the only thing I normally get myself is clothes. So that's what I did this year. Plus I just had a baby, so I felt like my wardrobe needed to be revisited, and get some clothes that I can wear with anything, clothes that I can wear to breastfeed, and all of that. So let's get into this video because I have 3 of these videos to do. So the first one is actually going to be from PrettyLittleThing, and I love PrettyLittleThing. I always shop at PrettyLittleThing. I don't have a problem with their sizing, don't have a problem with their customer service, don't have a problem with their quality, because I always read the type of fabric that makes the clothes and all of that. Sometimes I do get disappointed here and there of some of the items, but and I didn't buy that much. And I also have one thing from Fashion Nova to feature. It's this bodysuit right here. It features a ruched bottom and a low cut in the back. I don't know why I got this, because I need to be wearing bras now. Okay, my breasts don't look like slippers, but anyways, that's the one thing that I got from Fashion Nova. So I got these shorts from PrettyLittleThing, and this is in the US size 8. I got an 8 because they didn't have any more 6s, and I really wanted this shorts, and I got an 8 before, and when I washed it, it fit perfectly fine. This just fits a little bit oversized. So this, on all of this is a sweat shorts. I love sweat shorts, so I bought a brown one from them and I wear it religiously. I got a black one of the same thing, and this is in a 6, and it kind of fits a little bit better. I'm gonna show you how the difference between the 6 and the 8. That's the difference between the 6 and the 8. I also got this bralette, just in case I don't feel like wearing a bra, but I need something to make sure my nipples are not just poking out everywhere, and I can put in my breast pads for nursing. So, and this also makes your boob easily accessible for breastfeeding, so that's why I got this. This is just the regular cut material one. And let me just say, PrettyLittleThing sweat shorts, they're sweat shorts, oh my, they're made from thick, nice fabric. Okay, so you can wear them in the summertime, you can wear them in the springtime, you can also wear them in the fall time, and I love them a lot. That's one of the reasons also. And they're versatile, you can dress them up or dress them down. And I got one of these dresses. People I always see wearing these dresses. I feel like this is the perfect little black dress. You can dress it up or you can dress it down. And then I got me a hat, regular cap, and I got me some socks. If you guys want me to actually style these in a video, tell me and I'll do so. I got these socks, and that's the only thing I bought from PrettyLittleThing. So this video is going to be really short and to the point.